So, hello everyone. We are Project Team 8, and let me introduce you Darshit and Krishna, and we are going to present the pharmaceutical industry and the Pfizer company. As the pharmaceutical sector continues to evolve, understanding its nuances becomes essential for strategic decision making and innovation. Next slide, please. The pharmaceutical industry is a cornerstone of modern healthcare, dedicated to developing, producing, and distributing medicine that improve and save lives. Globally, the market value of this industry is over $1 trillion, with the impact being visible to society and to economies. Some of the main players of the industry are Pfizer, Novartis, Johnson & Johnson, and Merck. These companies drive innovation, research breakthroughs, and development of life-changing medications. However, like in any sector, the pharmaceutical industry faces some challenges and trends. Regulatory complexity, labor and raw material shortages, and cybersecurity threats are just a few obstacles. Regarding the market trends, include the increasing focus on biotechnology, on demand surge and regulatory complexity, reshaping how treatment are developed and delivered to the people. Zooming into the heart of the industry, the pharmaceutical supply chain, we encounter a unique set of challenges: temperature-sensitive products, cybersecurity risks, and the need of better quality control. Furthermore, global disruptions caused by events like COVID-19 and the war in Ukraine spotlight the fragility of supply chains and underscore the importance of the resilience and the adaptability. Moving to Krishna.
So we have taken two examples of supply chain problems which were solved in past years. First one is Johnson and Johnson. So they had problem with supply disruptions for critical components for medical devices that resulted in delays of production and also effect on patient care. So what they did was Johnson and Johnson collaborated with suppliers for the components, and they had supply audits and risk sharing agreements. This led to reduced production delays, minimize supply disruptions, and increase supply chain resilience. Next slide, please. Second one is Novartis. They had rare disease treatment, so patient population was less and the illness was unique. So they had problem with stockouts, and also they had excess inventory, which also incurred extra costs. What they did was company partnered with healthcare providers, and they shared information of patients, medical histories, and disease development patterns. They also used algorithms and analytic tools. This enhanced demand forecasting accuracy, minimized stockouts, and optimized inventory levels. Next slide, please. So our project proposal is Pfizer. Pfizer is a leading pharmaceutical company, and it has around 83,000 employees working worldwide. Pfizer has headquarters in New York, and it operates over 175 countries. Pfizer has financial performance fluctuation due to COVID-19, new products, and patents. Over to you, Darshit.
So with providing its products in 175 countries and more, it obviously has its own supply chain problems because not every country is developed or every country has its own rules and set of regulations. So one of the three major problems are increasing cybersecurity threats, regulatory compliances, and geopolitical instability. As we can see from the Ukraine war that is going on, it has affected the global supply chain, we like it or not. The goals of improvement can be enhance efficiency by implementing automation, robotics, increase resilience through diversification of supplies and inventory buffers, reduce cost by streamlining process and negotiations. So the proposed project which we have come up with, and in that we'll be solving the major problem, that is the addressing Pfizer's supply chain challenge to ensure uninterrupted operation, customer satisfaction. Obviously, with efficiency can't be 100%, but we'll try to, from this project, we have tried to make it more better as possible. The goals are efficiency, resilience, and cost reduction. The scope will be implement technologies, diversify suppliers, enhance inventory, and optimize procurement. The total duration of the project will last for 28 months, that is more than 2.5 years. The project initiation and planning is 2 months, technology and software upgrade 6 months, implementation and training 4 months, cybersecurity enhancement and regulatory compliance 5 months. The thing is, because AI is not as that developed as we think it is, but it's not, and it always takes time to get trained the AI. Project completion and report in 1 month. The milestone will be tank implementation, supply diversification, so no raws, so shortage of raw materials, inventory buffers, and great supply chain efficiency. So in the lesser time. The total budget of this project is 10 to 12 millions. In that, the contingency funds is 25%. As we can know from COVID-19 that anything can happen nowadays. Technology will take the 30% thing. Security will take 10%. Installation 16. Operations 20%. Required resources for people and equipment will be regulation and compliance for maintaining industry standards, strategies for market volatility, cutting edge tech. So that will be about Johnson and Johnson and major companies that are competing with Pfizer. Analytics and data gathering, processing, and its analyzing tools are obviously required. The future Pfizer goals in this video, we can see that the CEO of the Pfizer company talks about mRNA technology for new vaccines, and I'll play the video for you as well.
When we think about innovation, there's so much that has come out of the pandemic for Pfizer that we think we can apply going forward. One, of course, is, again, launching a mRNA vaccine. What an opportunity we have to apply that technology that we've installed over $1 billion worth of equipment in our plants around the world. Can we use that technology for new products? Could it be a new variant of a vaccine? Could it be a flu vaccine? Could it be a combo? Could it be for other diseases? So we're thrilled to use this capability that we've built in mRNA for other diseases. The other piece that really comes true to us is our ability to distribute through cold chain. That technology has really been developed and shown to be extremely effective. We have shipping efficiency rates in our vaccine of 99.99%. I mean, just flawless execution through digital tools, monitoring our products as we go around the world. And then lastly, we're also looking as it relates to our antiviral about how do we make solid dosage products even faster and in smaller facilities. So we have prototypes in place that are looking at basically shrinking the factory down to the size of a container, the size of a tractor trailer. And can you do more continuous manufacturing rather than batch and allow us to get products to patients even quicker? So I think that there's just so much more innovation to come, so much more opportunity. But at the heart of all this opportunity is really talented people, right? Talented people that are thinking about patients at the end for high quality products, but innovating with technology, with digital, with amazing opportunities to make an impact on public health.
So from the video, as we can see that the CEO is talking about the supply chain issues and how we can tackle them. So in this project also, we with more implementation, more goals, and with more analytics tool, we can hope so that if we give an opportunity, we can improve the efficiency of supply chain in the future run. And not just now, but for like in 10-15 years when everything will be much more developed, everything will be new, everything will be changing day by day. So yeah, so thank you for listening to the presentation and hope you guys have a great day.